Welcome back to my channel. Today me and my friend Karthik Karthik are making slime together. So I'll show you the ingredients. First one is the slime glue and activator, cup, spoon and color. Now we are making the slime by adding glue on it. Now we are making clear slime. So we took this much of glue and then we'll mix it by adding activator. The actor is not coming. Will come. Wait. Now we pour this activator in it. We need to mix it to become slime. Look guys, it's becoming slime like this. Mix it. So we'll show you when the slime completes. It's the clear slime. Clear glue. So guys, the slime is completed. One slime, look at here. Wow, it's so nice. Now we'll do the other slime by adding color with the orange color. I'm taking this clear glue again and pressing it by
We kept the slime glue.
It's like the
slime activator.
First we need to add color.
A bit color.
We are adding color of this. Karthik did. జరుగుమా నువ్వు వస్తుంది మా 1 minute.
Wait.
స్లైమ్ అది నిజంగానే it's becoming now color. Look the color guys, how it is. We need to add some more glue. Look. Look, we are mixing it. You know, we mix
that much. It should be a bit light. That's it.
Now we are adding
Activator.
the secret ingredient. It's very harmful. Please do not try at home. Try it without hands. So guys, we completed the slime.
So
Look here,
it's like this.
What?
And this
It
is
becomes so much hardly.
This is the clear slime.
Clear
It got stuck inside.
We'll remove it and see.
Yeah.
We'll review it by hand.
So guys, this is
Oh
the slime.
wow! It's nice, satisfying. Correct?
Yeah.
It's very satisfying. Oh wow!
My God, this slime looks very satisfying.
If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe and click the bell icon
For more notifications when we post a new video.
Bye bye.